Sasinno, smart and steady innovation. In 2026, Sasinno launched our next-generation offline selective wave soldering machines, the Ultra i1 and i2. They feature a clean and tidy interface, easy programming, large board handling capability, and strong flexibility. This machine comes with 2 separate jet valves, has built-in top and bottom infrared preheat zones, and includes 2 electromagnetic pump solder pots, each with its own Z axis for independent movement. Here's how the production process works. First, turn on the solder pot heating and set the nitrogen flow rate. Then you're ready to start automatic production. An operator places the PCB fixture into the machine, and production begins. The system applies flux to 2 boards at the same time, using dual drop jet valves for high efficiency. Then the boards move into the preheat zone. Thanks to our unique top and bottom preheat system, we make sure the PCB reaches the right preheat temperature evenly. Next comes the soldering step. Again, 2 boards are soldered simultaneously. The maximum board size we can handle is 460 mm by 250 mm. The machine offers flexible working modes. You can use flux spray valve 1 only, or valve 2 only. This allows you to run 2 different types of flux in one machine. For soldering, you can run solder pot 1 alone or pot 2 alone. This makes it quick and easy to switch between leaded and lid-free processes. Each pot supports a huge soldering area of 460 mm by 510 mm. You can also solder the same PCB first with pot 1, then with pot 2, using different size nozzles to match the heat absorption needs of different joints. This 2-step mode still covers that full 460 mm by 510 mm work envelope. The machine comes standard with mark point correction. You can set it to check mark points every few boards, ensuring repeatable positioning accuracy. We can use the camera to scan PCB to obtain the whole board image. Just draw a line on the image for programming. Also, we can directly load the Gerber file to get the image for programming. It also has wave height autocorrection. You can program it to automatically adjust the wave height at regular intervals, so soldering quality stays consistent. Optional features include barcode scanning, which links the current machine status and parameters to the PCB barcode for traceability. It's optional to have laser height sensor, 1 for each board, so it can detect 2 boards deformation independently and simultaneously. Automatic solder wire feeding, 1 set per pot. When the solder level gets low, it refills automatically. Software-controlled spacing adjustment between the 2 pots. There's also an optional solder pot cart. It docks easily with the main frame, letting you slide the pot out safely, quickly, and with minimal effort. Dock the cart with an external solder pot rack, power it up there, and perform maintenance or cleaning without interrupting production. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please contact your local official Sasinno partner.